that there is now a shortage of construction workers in the country? Ano ho ba yung nangyari?
Yeah, definitely tama talaga. Kasi this concerns construction workers like the sector that I represent. Now, sa data ng PSA, last 2018, there are about 40,000 building permits na na-issue, no? 40,000 building permits translate into 40,000 projects yan. Assuming na bawat project, mayroong 30 construction workers employed doon, that's surely 1.2 million construction workers ang requirement. Ang sinabi ko dati sa kanila, that's only for the fourth quarter. Now, according to the Department of Finance, ang ating investment for 2019 is 900 billion pesos. 30% of this investment is allotted for personnel, no? Sa labor. So, sa data ng Department of Labor and Employment, 4 million ang pangangailangan natin ng construction workers. Ang tanong ko sa kanila, if we have enough supply of this, sabi nila wala na. Totoo, wala na. In fact, nakipag-usap ako sa Philippine Contractors Association and other big construction corporation. Sabi nila, ang hiring ng kanilang construction workers ngayon hanggang Luzon, hanggang Mindanao na. Wala nang makitang tao dito. No? I mean, for the construction workers. Yun, ganun kabigat.